Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make something creative using this empty sellotape roll. So without wasting time, let's begin.
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.